Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my fully furnished, well 70% furnished apartment, my 1 year in Houston. So I did do my patio, as you guys can see. I got these chairs from Amazon. I got this little thing from Amazon, and I made this good vibes only from Amazon. So this is my nice little patio area. I normally chill out here. And these lights come on at night, so yeah. So let's go into my crib. As you have this net because of Chapo, because he likes to come in and out. So first, when you come in, right here we have my shoes. They're not the perfect right now, but it's okay. So yeah, and then as you guys can see, remember I put this couch together? Y'all saw me put this couch together. Yeah, and then I got these from Burlington, and the lights are from Amazon, so when you turn them on, they turn on. And I also got this from Amazon, these books. I put this together, I put all this stuff together. I put this together, I got these from Amazon, and we got a nice little 65-inch TV, got that little one more. Yeah, and the first one broke, y'all remember that? The first one broke. So over here, don't mind this is just like it's like a lounge area basically. But as of right now, I don't really have much really shaking in this area. But my mirror from IKEA. Yeah, see I got my little vinyl, whatever you want to call it, recorder or record player. Yeah. My trophies, my kids' trophies. Those are going to the dance studio. Boom. Bad. Then here in the kitchen, I didn't really do too much here in the kitchen, but we have all Drew Barrymore, all white. The white is really hard to keep clean. It's okay because I'm gonna get the new colors soon. They have green, they have black. Walmart, I got a full bundle. I think it was like $200 for all that stuff. So pots and everything. So I didn't do much in the bathroom yet. So just this here, the carpet. Let your feet look good, you know, the vibes, not too much on my girl. Yeah, I'm gonna glaze her out a little bit. I just haven't got around to her yet. I don't think I'm gonna take y'all into here yet, but as y'all know, I love to stock up, so it's plenty, washer powder, all that good stuff. So on to my room. Okay. So remember we put this together, guys. I'm gonna find the remote right now and turn the light on. This light comes on and my jewelry and stuff in there shows. I got these right here from IKEA, the frames. I got the pictures from Shein and I got the frames from IKEA and I put it all together. This bed was, remember I bought this bed, I was like, it's $900, y'all can't believe it. So the light go on here, it Bluetooth, heat, all that. And then watch these. This is gonna really get you guys. This is the kicker. Give me a second. Chop a little bed down here, y'all. Remember when I put that together? We're gonna put you down, boys, you guys, for a second. So, the reason why this one is so important and beautiful is because, where the remote at? Oh, it does this. Oh, it's not pressing. Wait, okay. It goes down inside, all the way down, as you can see, right? Definitely going to, so this, it goes up and down. Love. For $900, I think it's that girl. And what else? Oh, as y'all can see, none of this was here. This is like all my kind of crap. Purses, whatever, whatnot. And y'all didn't get a chance to go in my closet. So I take it out of my closet because it's clean this time. Bam. Everything's together. I just finished this yesterday, so it could definitely be a little more together, but this is as together as it's gonna get for me today. Yeah, so None of my stuff is working. Ha! What the hell? Well, I think I need to. Okay. I'm gonna get all the electric stuff. I'm gonna get all the electric stuff to work. Then we're gonna come back. But this lights up too, like LED light as well. And when you press the button, but I think I need to change the plug-in. But yeah. So that is my. Oh wait, I gotta show you one more thing. I didn't show y'all my chairs. I got these from Home Depot. They were, I think, $120, which is not bad. So yeah, that is my 70% furnished apartment. And I'm gonna try and get these technical difficulties together and show you guys the other stuff. But yeah, we're done.